So we are on Bangalore-Mysore Expressway, and this is my buddy. So we're traveling along today. So the plan is to check out Bangalore-Mysore road and then go to Pujari Fishland, which is near Mysore, have some lunch there and back to Bangalore. So this is the toll gate and these are the prices. I'll pause there so that you can see the prices. And people were saying it's too expensive and all, and these two-wheelers are not allowed. They think if they put an indicator, they just can go that direction without watching. Anyways, so people were saying its toll is too expensive and all that, but looks like we'll catch the numbers and then we'll discuss. So there are mixed reactions towards the toll gate, and it's full access control road. See, if you see on both sides, it's fully fenced, so there's no fear of animals coming into the road. So pretty good. Too much traffic, too much traffic. I don't think we could do those lovely sprints what we do. Yeah, overall till now the road looks good. The fence is good. At some places they have opened it. Unauthorized opening, I would say. So but then rest all looks good, and the service road is also there. So if someone don't want to pay a toll, they could potentially use service road. I heard few patches are not open, not done yet on the service road, but then rest all road looks to be done. I think there is some bridge on which there is no service road. So till that is done, two-wheelers would be allowed on the expressway. But what I'm hearing, once the service road is fully open, two-wheelers will not be allowed on expressway. But then biker community is trying to get access for bikers. But yeah, I think at least higher cc bikes should be allowed, because they could potentially be as fast as cars go. So yeah, let's see. Let's wait and see. And I think this expressway rule is applicable across the nation. So people having big bikes, it's really bad news. But then if government decides to give the bikers access, then it would be really awesome. They could potentially put a higher fee for bikers so that the normal 80cc bikes don't come onto the expressway if they want to restrict slow going bikes. They should be equal to car or higher than car. I don't know if that works with all the biker community. I think that should be a good move. But then I would say comment down, guys, and share your thoughts. Like the toll gate, what we have seen is the last toll gate. So there is only 2 toll gates, one at the entrance and one at the exit, which definitely saves some time for everyone. They don't have to stop at every other toll gate, multiple toll gates. But then I'm not sure how they would bifurcate people who are getting out in between and getting in between. Could easily put some exit ticket and entry ticket and pay when you exit. Like for example, Hyderabad ORR has that system where they would give you an entry ticket when you enter, and when you exit you have to give that ticket and they'll charge you accordingly. That would be a better approach, I guess. 8,000 crores is what government has spent to build this Bangalore-Mysore Expressway, and this is the result. So I have come to Mysore, to Pujari Fishland before, when this road was not built, or it was getting built. It was like really a nightmare. Some places it used to take a lot of time and we had to go very, very slow, and now it's all this beautiful 6-lane plus service road on both sides, 10-lane road. Amazing work, great work again, Nitin Gadkari ji and Narendra Modi ji. Amazing work.